So back in action. I did clearance it out. I took it to a shop near me. I finally found some place to get parts and get some advice, and I had the guys there look at it. A bunch of young guys, so I was kind of impressed. I was expecting a bunch of old guys like myself to be working on these things, but it was a bunch of young guys, and they had some good advice. One was that I didn't really need to do the clearancing, which, I kind of suspected that, but, just for my own peace of mind, I figured I'd do it. So it's done anyway. I didn't really do any damage, I would say, but it's one less thing in my mind to worry about. And they said also to try and polish up some of these edges where I did kind of probably went a little too happy on it. But they said to polish out some of the lines, and I did, and it's pretty smooth now. So that feels nice. Just, to help the oil move around in there, I guess, was their advice. But another thing they said, this edge was kind of roached out on here. It's corroded. I don't know if it was damaged and repaired once or what. I'm not exactly sure. But they suggested welding it, getting somebody to do that does magnesium welding and weld it up and have it machined down. I don't know if I want to go that far, as far as repairing this. The worst thing that could happen would be that it would leak. And how much is it going to leak? It's going to be on a sand rail. I'm not too concerned about it leaving oil spots, so it's not really a big concern of mine, is to be leaking. So this was my solution. So I took the cover, I put some tape on the back side of it so the JB Weld wouldn't stick to it, and I'm using it as sort of a template to help mold that edge. And what I've done is I've spread JB Weld in there, pretty much like spreading peanut butter, I guess. But that whole edge was kind of pitted out. Some of it was, it was a good 1/4 inch of it kind of, just looked corroded. That's the only way I can describe it. And I probably should have taken a picture beforehand. I bet back in some of the videos you might be able to see it pretty good in there. But there's my patch job, and I will let you know how that looks when it's done curing. Thanks.